The main part too is this carbon fiber right here. So you get 2 of them, and to switch it, twist this part. Might be some water in it, and you insert this way. Maybe, yeah, got some water. No. And seal it back up. And good to go. So, like I said, carbon fiber, clean water, and then you get a washer, and that also. So, definitely forgot that. Sorry about that. But definitely check it out. It's like one of the first ones I've seen like this. So, alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Thank you guys for sending me this unit. Hopefully you guys are having a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And you can also see what other goodies they have to offer. And this is going to be a 2-parter, I do believe. And this is, ooh, carbon fiber shower head. Enjoy shower spa. 1 pack. Upgraded filtration, high pressure, save water, easy clean. Alright, let's take a look. I have no idea who sent this. Oh, RyWell. You guys can read that right there. Kind of blurry. Just because of the white background. RyWell. Alright. Take a look. Carbon fiber shower head. Whoa. Each was here. I'm gonna have to take a look. It's like a mirror type. The holes are right in there. You can see the holes right there. Really cool. Alright guys, we'll be right back. We're back in the sink. You can use this as an extra, like a shower made to wash hair if you do that also. But my main installer is off on the holidays. We got Easter coming up, so he's gone. So we're going to do it this way. The water gets in there a little bit, squirts out there. Really cool. So we're going to try it. I mean, it works, so just got to find a spot for you guys. Okay, so you can adjust right here. See, and now that's really good. I can't wait to use this in my actual shower. You can adjust it right there. And you can see the water circling through it. Kind of like a twister type. Oh, really cool. Like I said, check them out. The Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Shut it off and turn it on. You can adjust the speeds, lower, have it super low. There we go. I like it like that. So definitely nice stream though. Really nice. Pretty cool. And check them out. Links down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.